Hi, I'm Selva Priyanka from MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. This is my data set, which consists of all the medal winning athletes in the Olympics from the year 2000 to 2012, their age, their country, and this is the geographic country attribute which I've created to use in the geographic visualizations in the software. The year in which in a particular sport the medals they have got: gold, silver, bronze, and the total medals. So this is a simple data set, and these are my measures and their aggregations. I'll show you my story in a preview format. So this is the story of about 8,618 medal winning athletes in the Olympics from the year 2000 to 2012. So this visualization is called the numeric point. The next visualization is a heat map which shows the number of countries. The depth of the color shows the number of countries participating in that year's Olympics. So this says in the year 2000 about 80 countries have participated. The year 2002, 24 countries. So we see this dark light pattern due to the fact that 2000, 2004, 2008 and 2012 are the Summer Olympics years, and 2002, 2006 and 2010 are the Winter Olympics. So many countries participate, more countries participate in the Summer Olympics than in the Winter Olympics. That is why this trend is appeared in this heat map. So this is a table which shows the number of medal winning athletes from each country. So this is not a very efficient visualization. So I have a visualization in a heat map where the darkness of the color shows the number of athletes, medal winning athletes from that country. So this is United States with about 1,109 medal winning athletes, and this should be second, Russia with about 706 and Australia 524. This visualization shows the number of medal winning athletes in each sport. So the highest one is about here, which is athletics, which has about 687 medal winning athletes. So this is because of the fact that there are many events in athletics compared to the others. Like here, cycling has about 261 athletes and rowing has 567. This is a line chart. The next visualization, this is my visualization with the most number of data points. It has all the athletes in the database, all the 8,000 odd, with the total medals as the darkness of the color. So one thing we can see here is a distinct dark box here, who is Michael Phelps with 22 medals. So this becomes very easy to find out in this visualization. This shows how many sports are medal winning sports for each of the countries. See here, Germany has about 37 medal winning sports and India has 5. Russia has 35. This is a column chart. This is how many different countries win medals in a particular sport. Like athletics again, 68 countries have won medals in it. That's because of the number of events. Boxing, 39 countries. Cycling is played in over 32 countries. So this is country by sport line chart. This is total medals by country. This is a geo bubble chart where the size of the bubble will show the total medals won by that country in this period 2000 to 2012 in a particular sport. This is cross country skiing. If I play this animation, it goes from sport to sport. So if I stop at a sport, say fencing, Russia has 32 medals in fencing, has a bigger bubble, and Italy has 57 medals in fencing. So like this we can see the number of medals got by each country in a particular sport by this geo bubble chart, which is also with the animation attribute. The next one is a bar chart, which is total medals by age. So we see here this is the highest one. We see that athletes with age 24 have the maximum number of medals, about 807. So we can also see the minimum and the maximum age. It's about age 15 is the minimum age for medal winning, and about 47, 49 I guess is the maximum. This is a Geo-Claude chart which shows the number of gold medals by the country. So the darkness of the color is the number of gold medals. United States about 552 gold medals, Russia 234, India 1 in this period. This is age by sport. So in my measure I've given age as maximum. So this is basically maximum age in every sport. So we see here archery, the maximum age is about 51 and equestrian is 61. Now, I want to see this distinct small age. What sport is this? It's a rhythmic gymnastics. The maximum age is just 25 in rhythmic gymnastics. So this is a column chart. This is a simple pie chart which just shows the total medals by the country. So this is United States with about 1312 total medals, and these are all the different colors allotted for each of the countries, all the different colors. It's a simple pie chart. This is a heat map which I've used to show the nice variations between the summer and the winter Olympics. If you see here, there's always if the summer Olympics fields are filled, the winter Olympics fields are empty. If the winters are filled, the summers are empty. So there's no exact intersection between those two. So we see here the number of gold medals in athletics in all the years are here. So now if we see one of the winter Olympic sports, ski jumping is here. So this shows the variation in the number of gold medals awarded in the summer as well as the winter Olympics per year in every sport. So the next visualization is gold medals by sport. So the total number of gold medals awarded in each sport. So we see that athletics has a maximum number of gold medals awarded, which is 253. This is because of the many events which are there in athletics. Swimming has about 270 gold medals awarded. So this is also because of the more number of events. So from this column chart, bar chart, we can get how many different ways that many gold medals can be awarded. That is in athletics and swimming because of the number of events. In some sports, more gold medals can be awarded due to the more number of members in a team. So that is why there is a lot of difference in the number of gold medals awarded per sport. So this is a simple bar chart which just shows the complete total number of medals and their gold medals, bronze and silver medals part in it. It's almost 1/3. You can see bronze medals is a little more. There's one more variation of this which I have made later. This is a box plot which plots the total medals grouping by sport in every year. So these are all the summer Olympics and these are the winter. Here suppose in this, it plots the maximum total medals in a particular sport, minimum, median. So it plots all of these. So we can compare all the maximums in every year because it's plotted there in all the medians. So this is a very useful visualization. This is the gold, silver and bronze medals per year. So we see these are all the summer Olympics data. We can see that the bronze medals, the number of bronze medals are always a little more than the number of gold and silver medals in the summer Olympics. But that's not the case in the winter Olympics. It's almost the same. So this is one analysis we can do on this visualization. Next, this is a scatter plot where the scatter points are the countries and it is gold medals by sport. So what happens, what we see here is most of the points are around this place, where the number of sports they have won medals are also less, the number of gold medals are also less. But we have one distinct point here, which is United States, where the number of medal winning sports is also a lot more than the others, where this is for 35, this is 40, and the number of gold medals is also a lot more than the other. So this is, I think, second in line, 234. This is about 552. So a scatter plot is a very nice way to make out distinct data points. This is a pie with depth chart, where the color is the country, the number of gold medals is the sector area, and the depth is the number of medal winning athletes. So this is United States with about 552 gold medals and 1109 athletes. Well, you can see this, they have a lot, this has a second highest depth. So this has a lot of athletes, but the number of gold medals is comparatively less. So this is Russia. So this is a pie with the depth chart. This is my last one, which is a geo pie chart. So this shows in every country of their total medal winning sports, which of them gets the most medals, which of them has the most number of athletes, So if we see United States, we can see this blue is the biggest sector. So 145 athletes contribute to the sport swimming in United States. If we see here in Australia, this purple one, I think here also the swimming, we see this purple one, 81 athletes contribute to Australia's hockey. So this is a geo pie chart. So these are all the wonderful visualizations and analysis I could do with the software with this data set. Thank you.